Hey guys, back here at the Turtle Shop. And today what we have going on is I'll be installing a new to me axle from my CJ-7. This is the HD44 and it is Chanquish. We're going to be using the Merchant Metal Fab narrowed leaf mounts for the CJ-7. Here we go. It's already been leaf converted, so we don't have to worry about doing all that, just mounting that and cutting this axle so that we can use those leaf mounts. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is our CJ-7 and this is going to be our prime candidate for this here axle. We're going to go on ahead and start off by cutting off this ear here so that we can attach this leaf mount there. I'll bring you over to the grinder, do a little fast forwarding for you. It's pretty close. We're gonna get it right there. And that'll be it. Perfect. Alright, now that that's taken care of, that lined up nicely there, go on ahead and get this put together here. Don't want to tighten the bolts unless you have both of them installed. In this case, I will need to be putting the shock right there. I'll have to put the shock mount right there. So I just want to make sure that the bolt is lined up properly beforehand. I could never do this to a set of real Vanquish axles. It just doesn't feel right. Oh, I'm sure there's plenty of you guys out there that's done this to Vanquish axles and not felt bad about it, right? I just would feel too bad about it. Alright, that's lined up perfectly. Now we can set this bolt aside, put the other side on here. And that's also going to have the shock mount going through to it. So, let's see. Okay. Get this bolt lined up there. Not going to have enough room for threads. Need to get something slightly longer. Hopefully this bolt isn't too long. I think it's just right. Not tightening it down, just, oh no, getting it lined up so that we can put the shocks in. All right, go on ahead and get one of these leaves done here. See you in a second. Installing these wedges here to give my drive shaft a little bit better pinion angle. Gotta make sure your pinning angle is nice and straight. Otherwise you'll have driveline problems. Okay, there we go. Nice straight drive line there. I'll get my front drive shaft in first. Swing you guys around here so you can see a little bit better. Oops. Getting ahead of myself again. Always seem to do that. I'll let go now. Like a monkey in a football. If you know, you know. Okay, well, that's our first conundrum there, is the forward bolt can't be that long. Because for some reason, it touches the diff case. I'm just tightening this up now so that once I get another bolt, I can just jam it in there and have at it. Apparently this bolt is a little too long. It's alright, I have plenty of short ones here. Let's go with one of these guys here. See that guy? There we go. And that is both the leaf mounts in. Just gotta get the leaves in now. You don't want it too tight. You know, if you bend these in, then the spring can't move. There's that. Mounted in. Got our drive shaft in. Feels alright there. Get a bolt in that. Stick with the same color bolts. Try not to use them chrome things. Stainless steel bolts are alright, but no, I can't use this one. The stainless steel just rounds out so easily sometimes. I don't know, softer metal or what. It's fine though. I'm an idiot. I didn't put the shock in. Well, the whole point of that. There we go. Shock's in now. That where you can see it, maybe. Then I have to figure out what bolt length goes there. Don't like that one, so that's way too long. Alright, so I did find a bolt for it, thankfully. See if I can't remember to put the shock on this time. Not like the other time. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. There we go. Set up and raring to go now. I'll flip it over here and put this on my steering servo up here and see what we can do with it. So a little conundrum here. I'm sure you can see it. The steering servo is all the way over here and the steering link is all the way over here. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and swap that around. I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, so another little conundrum I'm running into now is I need this little spacer right here on the servo horn so that the steering link isn't at full angle all the time. It just needs to be up off of it a little bit, you know. So that's what I'm going to do here. I probably don't have enough room to use a little electric gun. Okay, there we go. It's a really strong servo. Alright, let's get the wheels back on it and see where it lands. Alright guys, we got the body back on, got the axles swapped, everything's done to this truck, and I got the MyTrick RC light kit finished up too. So, that's going to conclude what we're going to do inside the garage. Now I'm going to go out and test it and see what it can actually do. Alright guys, out here behind the house, and let's go see what it's going to do. Got the new axles under it. It used to flip over right about there. I do love the way the leaf springs move on this truck. Here we go. Going down the big hill here in the backyard and see what we can't do. It used to flip right over here, so let's Pretty steep hill. See that rear wheel lifting up. Got a little bounce action going here, going up the hill again. Perfect. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Today was an amazing day. I had a blast putting the axle in, being able to run this truck again. It's been 2 months since I've been able to run it, so I'm really happy I was able to get back out on the rocks. And since we just hit 100 subscribers, there's going to be a coupon code. It's a 100 subs. 100 subs in the coupon section of our website. Use that, get 20% off of anything in our shop. Thanks so much. Leave a like and comment if you like this type of stuff, and we'll get back at you soon.
Boy, don't play around, got plenty time, got plenty room in this car. Boy, I mess around, but I tell you now that I pray homie go far. Boy, I pray homie go real. Boy, I pray homie is real. Boy, I take shots from left field. I don't mess around with left field.